Before you spend another hour answering online surveys, stop. Some survey websites really do pay people. But here's the problem. You can spend 30 minutes answering questions and end up making less than the price of a bottle of water. So today, I'm showing you 10 survey websites that actually pay in 2026. And more importantly, I'll tell you which ones are worth your time and which ones you should probably skip. Let's get into it. Let's start with Survey Junkie. The concept is simple. You create an account, complete surveys, earn points, and eventually redeem those points for rewards. What I like about platforms like this is that you don't need a special skill. You're basically getting paid for sharing your opinions. But don't expect to become rich. Think of survey platforms as small side income opportunities, not a replacement for a job. And always check whether the platform supports your country before spending time creating an account. Number 9 is Swagbucks. Swagbucks is more than just surveys. Depending on what's available to you, you can earn rewards through surveys, offers, shopping activities, and other online tasks. That makes it more interesting than a platform that only gives you surveys. But there's a catch. Not every activity is equally valuable. Before doing anything, look at the reward compared with the amount of time required. If something takes 30 minutes for a tiny reward, move on. Number 8 is Prolific. This one is different because it focuses heavily on research studies. Researchers and organizations use the platform to collect responses from participants. The biggest advantage is that some studies can be much more worthwhile than traditional low-paying surveys. The downside: you may not always have studies available, and eligibility depends on your profile. So don't expect unlimited work every day. Next is YouGov. YouGov is known for collecting people's opinions on topics like consumer behavior, public issues, brands, and other subjects. You answer surveys and collect points that can later be redeemed for available rewards. The important thing here is patience. You may not qualify for every survey, and earning enough points for a reward can take time. So if you're looking for instant money, this probably isn't the best option. Number 6 is Toluna. Toluna allows users to participate in surveys and other opinion-based activities in exchange for points. The interesting part is that your profile can determine the types of surveys you receive. That means filling out your profile accurately can help you get more relevant opportunities. But again, don't exaggerate your answers just to qualify. Survey platforms can screen responses for consistency. If your answers constantly contradict each other, you could lose access to surveys. Number 5 is LifePoints. The platform rewards members for completing surveys about products, services, and everyday experiences. It's another example of something that can work well as a small side activity. The trick is not to chase every survey you see. Instead, look for surveys that give you a reasonable reward for the time required. Remember, your time is the real currency. Number 4 is Branded Surveys. This platform focuses primarily on paid surveys and rewards users for completing eligible studies. It can be useful if you enjoy giving opinions and want something simple to do during your free time. But before joining any survey website, check 3 things. Is it available in your country? What are the withdrawal options? And how long does it realistically take to reach the minimum payout? Those 3 questions can save you a lot of wasted time. Number 3 is Ipsos, I say. It comes from Ipsos, a major market research company. The idea is straightforward. Participate in surveys, earn points, and redeem available rewards. One advantage of established research platforms is that you're dealing with a company that has an actual market research business behind the surveys. But don't mistake that for guaranteed income. Survey availability can vary, and your location and demographics can affect what you receive. Number 2 is Google Opinion Rewards. This is one of the simplest options on the list. Google sends eligible users short surveys based on various activities and interests. The surveys can be extremely quick. The downside is obvious. You may not receive many surveys. So this isn't something I'd build an income strategy around. It's better viewed as an easy way to earn occasional rewards when opportunities appear. And now for number 1, user testing. And technically, this isn't a traditional survey website. That's exactly why I included it. Instead of simply answering questions, users can sometimes test websites and apps and provide feedback about their experience. This can potentially pay more per task than ordinary surveys because you're providing more valuable feedback. But there's a catch. You usually need to qualify for individual tests, and some tests require you to record yourself speaking while using a website or application. So if you're comfortable explaining what you're thinking while testing a product, this could be much more interesting than basic surveys. Now here's the part most videos won't tell you. Survey websites are not a magic money machine. If someone tells you that you'll easily make hundreds of dollars every day just answering surveys, be skeptical. Your actual earnings can depend on your country, age, profile, available surveys, qualification rates, and the time you spend. And because you're watching from different countries around the world, don't assume every platform on this list will be available to you. Always check the official website and payout rules before signing up. So, are survey websites worth your time? Yes, if you treat them as extra pocket money. But if you're serious about making money online, don't stop at surveys. Learn a skill. Try freelancing. Explore affiliate marketing. Build something that can actually grow. And if you want more videos showing you useful websites, online tools, and digital opportunities, subscribe to Smart Digital Skills. I'll see you in the next one.